And we are in front of the Adria twin based on the Fiat Ducato chassis, and this is one of the best vans if you're planning to do a lot of biking or any type of things that you need to get going with a big garage roof. And we are checking the twin 60 years 640 SGX with the pop-up roof starting for 73,000 euros, but the actual price for this is 82,437. Well, shall we entering inside? Entering inside, we have the standard Adria layout with a great table and pretty interesting white designed captain seats and actual seats. For the passage on the back, we have the push to open cabinets and a big sky dome, so a lot of lights enters here. Standard Fiat Ducato chassis, automatic with automatic climate control and screen with backup camera. Adria control panel. Adria lightweight mesh design like a styrofoam material. From the lower part we have kitchen, 2 burner stoves and 1 sink, not bad. On the upper part, 1 big cabinet for your kitchen part and 3 pretty big cabinets for your cookware. Not bad at all. And then on this part we have the longer Thetford 137 liter fridge that's pretty deep and pretty spacious. On the upper part we don't have anything, and on the lower part we have a small cabinet to store additional items. On this part, the standard swivel toilet. Let's try it. Yep. So you can take a great shower without damaging anything, and when you're finished, if you want to wash your teeth or doing your stuff on the Tet or cassette toilet, this is in great oval design sink. And we have the bed that can be moved up and down with the dimensions we'll be measuring right now. 1.890 approximate, and from the larger part I'm trying to measure it, but they have pushed something here, so I will be measuring. It's 1.688 on the upper part, but as you go down it will be larger, so we will be measure the bed and actual size from the back. Exiting out, getting on the back side, we can check the big garage unit, perfect for your bicycles. And if we measure the actual size from back, you have 1.776, and on this part, measuring to the actual door, is approximate 1.9. So pretty easy to load some 27-inch wheel bicycles, but you can actually load almost one bigger 2.1 if you made it crossway like that. So there is a lot of space, and on the widest part we have 1.944 for the bed sleeping area. And when the bed is completely up, we are measuring approximately 1.296 at the highest point. So loading 4 or probably 5 bikes will be no problems in this campervan. Pretty great design. Let's get another look and finish this video.